I can't believe what Bars rear main seal repair did for my engine. Just check out these before and after results. Claims to stop all oil leaks, even crankshaft leaks. Okay, now allow me to show you this engine oil leak. As you can see, it goes all the way around this timing cover. It's leaking pretty bad. It's really hard to get a camera down in here, but you can see. Now I want to show you another way we have to measure this leak and see how much oil is coming out. So we'll allow the vehicle to sit overnight, and I'll show you just after the exact same amount of miles in a comparison after using the Bars Leaks product. We'll go the 2-day period in which they say to, just to make sure it has enough time and the same amount of mileage. So we'll go ahead and place this under our leak. The same exact area. Okay, here we are. Now let's go ahead and check out just how bad this is after a couple of days. Wow, that's incredible. It would seem like it's only getting worse. Let's take a close-up. Most rear main seal leaks are caused by a combination of normal wear in the crankshaft seal and the drying, hardening, and shrinking of the main seal. Bars Leaks heavy-duty rear main seal repair restores the seal to like new condition and also contains additives to stop leaks in severely worn seals and crankshafts. Compatible with all petroleum-based engine oils, including high mileage and synthetic. Works well with all vehicle types, including gasoline, diesel, and turbocharged. For many vehicles, this is your last chance before paying an expensive repair bill. As you can see, the two-part formula, twice the performance, Seal Restorer, restores seal size, flexibility, and elasticity, lost due to engine heat, age, and high mileage. Seal Polymer, chemical polymers work where other stop leaks fail to seal leaks caused by normal engine wear, specifically designed to seal rear main seal leaks, but also works better than a conventional stop leak on all other leaks. This includes the timing cover seal, cam seals, O-rings, and other gaskets. Now, as you'll see, the instructions say add the entire bottle of rear main seal repair to the engine crankcase, where you add the oil at or between oil changes. Do not overfill. Most leaks will stop within 100 miles or 2 days of driving. One bottle treats 4 to 6 quarts of oil. Larger systems use one bottle for every 5 quarts of capacity. To prevent future leaks, install rear main seal repair every 5,000 miles or with every oil change. Now it's time to find out just how well this stuff works. Okay. Wow, this is some thick stuff. The stop leak is over half of a quart, so you want to make sure that you don't overfill your system. Now here we are for part 2. Let's see if this actually helped. I'm ready to finally see the results. As you can see the before, we also have the after. Quite a difference, I will have to say. And given more time, maybe it can improve substantially more. Bars also claims to restore the seal size, flexibility, and elasticity. You also know that we use a shore meter to test the hardness, and they claim that this is lost due to the engine heat, age, and the high mileage. Hardening of seals as well, so by using a shore meter and testing the hardness, well, the results speak volumes. As you can see, we placed each crankshaft seal in the coffee pot, allowed it to sit for a couple of days separately. One with motor oil, the other with motor oil mixed in the proper amount with the bar's stop leak to see if it actually made a difference. And we could, believe it or not, see the one with the stop leak did not get any harder. Nothing really changed, it stayed the same. But the one without actually became harder. Now, it was very minimal, as you could see using the durometer, but it's something to consider. Not very scientific, so take that with what you will. And if you can offer any information on this product, please drop down in the comments and share it with us. I'd love to hear about your experiences, good or bad. I prefer the truth. Thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.